Everyone wants to eat healthy, but in the fast-paced world we all live in, healthy eating doesn't always come easy. There's little time to prepare, let alone shop, for the healthiest meals, making greasy fast food a likely option. But what if you could eat healthy without all the hassle and without the hefty price tag? USANA offers a delicious variety of meal replacement shakes to suit your busy lifestyle. No matter what your needs, there's something for you. Just mix a few scoops of USANA Nutrimeal with water or a beverage of your choice, and you're good to go. Each shake is gluten-free, loaded with protein, costs less than the fast food alternative, and because it's low glycemic, Nutrimeal will keep you feeling fuller longer to help you meet your weight loss goals. All with flavors you're sure to love, like the rich, velvety indulgence of Dutch chocolate, the delightfully sweet flavor of wild strawberry, and the mild, enticing taste of French vanilla. Each flavor is scientifically formulated, offering your body unparalleled on-the-go nourishment. In fact, they taste so good, you might forget just how healthy they really are. USANA Nutrimeal, made just for you. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 600 elite athletes who trust their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA, your health, your life, your way.